So you want to make some money from home, but you're not sure which way to go. I know there are a lot of people out there, such as myself, that are always looking for new ways to make some money online. Got a side hustle for you. Did you know you can get paid to test websites?
Go on.
There are so many videos and websites out there telling you that you can make money for testing websites, but they don't all work. So I decided to take one for the team and sign up for a website that claims that you can get paid to test website. And I got some money. In this video, I'm going to tell you about the website and let you know how much money can be made on this website for doing something as easy as testing a website. Let's check it out. First and foremost, in case you don't know what it means to test a website or you don't know what user testing is, let me explain it to you. These days, every company has a website. Even I have my own website, NikkiConnected.com. They need people to test out their websites. Companies have people coming to their website, making purchases, and they need to make sure that website works. That's where we come in and save the day and test the website for the company, and they'll pay us to do it. Easy work. Okay, so you know enough, right? And you want to know how to get started with making money by testing websites. I got you. This is not sponsored. I'm going to show you the website that I signed up for that actually pays you to test these websites doing easy work. Okay, so this is the website. It's usertesting.com. This page is for general. This is like more for the company side of it. Click get paid to test. Now you're on the right page. If you scroll down, you'll be able to get an idea of how it works. The basics are you apply, start looking for jobs, you test, and you earn your money. So in order to sign up, what you would do is put your email address in here and agree to the terms and conditions. It's really not hard to sign up, but let me show you what it looks like once you're logged in. Now I'm logged into my account and you might start hearing some pinging because while you're on the page, they are actively putting jobs in there for me to do. So as you can see, the very first one is a $60 job. They say this one would take 60 minutes to complete. And this is actually a live job. So they have not only website testing, but they also have ones where you can talk to a live person at a company and give them feedback that way. But as the jobs are coming in, let me explain to you how this works. You would find available tests, which is this page right here. From here, you can scroll through, see what jobs are available. As we saw, that $60 job was there, but I already got some more jobs being offered to me. So most of them are about $10. And I'm going to tell you right now, these often take 10 minutes or less. So literally you can make $60 an hour or even more. Now, if you pick one of these, you would have to qualify for that test. So just because you choose one does not guarantee that you are going to be able to complete that test and get paid. Okay. If you do qualify for a job, you would go through and answer the questions. I'm not trying to get my account banned, so I'm not going to do it. Hold up. Being that you made it to this point in the video, I hope that you already liked, subscribed, and had your notifications on. It doesn't cost you anything, but it does wonders for this single mom and the success of this channel. So do me a favor and do that if you haven't. And also share if you care. Now back to the video. But once you do complete a test, you would be able to see your test history. Up here at the top, in addition to available tests, we also have test history. These would be your history of tests that you've already taken. Also, your profile, if you need to do that, messages, and just as important is the help center. Here in the help center, they have lessons to teach you how to use the platform, as well as frequently asked questions, support. Let me specify again, support, because there's always people that will come in the comments and ask me questions like I work for these companies. I'm self-employed. I don't work for anybody but Nikki. So if you have support questions, those types of things, or something really technical, you might want to reach out to the support center, because I'm telling you, if you ask me technical questions, I'm going to ignore your question. So don't waste your time. Go directly to this page and contact support. But in case you're wondering about the pay, I'm going to tell you so far I've done 2 tests. I've earned $20, and the way that they pay is through
PayPal, okay? But I'm telling you, so many people don't watch the entire videos and then they come in the comments and ask me questions that are already answered in the video. So for those of you that are here and still watching, let's have a good laugh at the people in the comments that ask me questions about how they pay or some other questions that are already answered in this video. And speaking of questions, I know a lot of you prefer to use your cell phone rather than desktop, so make sure you get their app. Yes, they have an app so you can do the user testing on there as well. So there's more than one way to make money. You can make it on desktop and you can do it on your phone. Some tests may only be available on desktop and some tests may only be available on your mobile. So get the app. Again, this is the test history page, and this is where you would find the test that you've already done, how much money you've earned. And when they pay through PayPal, you will get your money in about 7 days. I literally got my payments on the 7th day. But these 2 tests that I did, again, I got paid $10 for each one, and I didn't even spend 10 minutes on each one. So you can bang out 6 of these in less than an hour and earn a quick $60. And again, they have higher paying ones as well, which you might be able to complete sooner. So we're talking about $60 an hour or even more.
As you saw, I was able to get in, test these websites, and yes, they paid me through PayPal. So yes, I got my money. It's such easy work. I'm telling you, you could chill and you can make hundreds of dollars in a day. If you thought this side hustle was something, this is just the tip of the iceberg. I have so many more side hustles to tell you about, even ones that I don't talk about on YouTube. To learn about them, just click the link below and visit my store where I have mini courses as well as ebooks to help you out with these side hustles. But with that said, hopefully this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, please do me a favor, hit the thumbs up button. And also, please don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notifications so you can be notified when I drop a new video. Now listen up, if you want to know about a really easy side hustle, check out this video. I'll see you on the next one. Bye y'all.
I might be broken down, but I'm smiling. I keep my head up high, though I fail. Sometimes I get a bit emotional, but then I turn around and let it